Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best affordable ski goggles in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is OutdoorMaster OTG Ski Goggles. The Outer Teacher OTG goggles are super nice and have been designed to fit all face shapes and sizes, so it is suitable for both as men and women. It has to be created with the dual lens technology layer, maximum optical clarity with a coated lens, anti-fog inside, and will protect your eyes as a result of the strong wind and excessive irrigation light. Is easy with fleece padding. That brand is very comfortable to wear, even over glasses. No, it is not a problem. It fog in the snow or blizzard, and a perfect dye provides cloudy overcast days. As for those intense days of sunshine, it remains a safe and reliable 400 option with UV protection. Is also compatible with all brands' helmets, as a result of the extra long elastic belt maximum setting, and comes with a carrying case and a whole year guarantee. Number 2. Our second best pick is OutdoorMaster Ski Goggles PRO. Master the Wild goggles has a large spherical and unframed lens that offers a clear and unobstructed view of the ski glass veracity. It is comfortable to wear and easy to use, and comes with extensive range lenses that can be interchanged to suit day and night, and all the different weather conditions. The over-the-glass, OTG, means design you can wear glasses with ease. This is possible thanks to the 5.30 wide and 1.65 inches tall glass enclosing compartment. What order beyond the TPU framework material is flexible, and 9.6 ounce weight allows us to feel these glasses without doing anything. Men's extra long elastic band glasses can fit all makes and designs without helmets and hats, and are suitable for adults and children. In addition, the lenses made of polycarbonate and injection molding are made only the second, so that the total UV protection offered by these goggles, none. Number 3. Our third best pick is WildHorn Roca Snowboard and Ski Goggles. The WildHorn Roca Snowboard and Ski Goggles is a truly innovative super quality product that has the way you are revolutionizing all skiing in his life. These glasses come from the snow-covered backyard Utah in the United States and have the most rigorous and careful design that has suffered the processes of history for unmatched performance. It is known to all ski areas to provide effective protection to time, to ensure it also offers maximum comfort. It has a built-in security lock and 6 rare N45 earth magnets that both help you quickly customize the look of your goggle in seconds for the best performance at any time or optical condition. It comes with 7 different lens options that Aurora. They are different colors and shades to improve glasses visibility. Thief thermoplastic urethane polymer, resistant to a versatile, elegant, and comfortable result. What's more, they have developed special sizes adapted to the user's needs for better participation and a broad view of design. Panoramic lens is anti-scratch and anti-fog for an unobstructed view ski of its surroundings. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ZIONOR Lagopus X4 Ski Goggles. Elegant in design and comfort, Lagopus are X4 goggles on the top of the list, and for good reason. These are glasses with 2 lenses. Snow, the ultimate accessory for any athlete that much money like to spend at. It's the waiting time in the snow. The article presents the anti-fog, anti-wind, and 100% UV protection to keep your eyes safe as you maneuver your way through the ice fields. This pair is by far one of the best options with the value into consideration, without affecting your wallet. Therefore, X4 Lagopus glasses are extremely durable and well worth it. Extra long adjustable headband makes them compatible with all head sizes, and helmet and wide lens offers an impressive panoramic view. Clean an eyes and enjoy the thrill of skiing. So put on your good winter boots and go to the mountains. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is WildHorn Cristo Ski Goggles. Every time you want to go skiing, the fog particles or rough surfaces should not blur your vision. This is why WildHorn Outfitter has these sophisticated functional glasses: skiing, smooth, elastic, flexible and durable, that is suitable for both the novice and experienced. Surely you protect your bite eyes, stormy winds, too light colds and sunny days. These product leaves the stable of WildHorn Outfitters, a company based in the United States with the mission of innovative, development and production and quality easy-to-use products that allow. In this respect they are very aware of the impact of their activities on the environment and all measures minimize waste. What's more, this product has been created by a strong TPU frame, durable and flexible with a 3-layer, high-density, and pleasantly soft face foam. All facial features match. These glasses are made with optical material, anti-fog and scratch-resistant, covered inner and outer surfaces which penetrate fog and snow-filled environments to give you the best experience in skiing. That blends easily with its surroundings and offers a wide, unprecedented viewing area. In general, it is durable, comfortable and extremely functional. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.